All right, Matt. Yeah, dot's been very strong, but it getting a pullback here on the day, down 3.6%. Weekly looks strong. New all-time highs. I wouldn't be touching this right now, just in case. What if a new 2-week opens up and has a red candle? However, I don't think that's happening. But you know, sometimes you get see a candle like this, you drop back down before getting the next leg. It's already had 3 2-week candles in a row to the upside. So is it due for a correction here before moving on back to the upside? So that's kind of what we need to be aware of and be cautious of, I should say. Could it just keep going? It could, but that's why my opinion is to it's already had a big green candle here, and you can see it's as big as any 2-week candle we've ever had. So I would suggest no need to be trading dot until a new 2-week candle, and then trade a new 2-week. If it is green, we definitely can try and get long in case it's going to go parabolic here because it has no resistance. But if it is red, then you need to be very careful. So best we come back to this at the start of the week.